Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Aina, and to my returnees, thank you guys so very much. And so in today's video, I'll be doing a very bold eyeshadow look. And so first I'm starting off with my brows as usual. So I'm just going to align, phone the exact shape of my face, and then I'm going to brush out, go over and define using my concealer. So I'm using the David's number 3 eye pencil, and for concealer today I'll be using the Blossom concealer. So for my eyeshadow today, I'll be using the Blossom concealer to set my eyelid in place before I start applying my eyeshadow. So I'm using from the Blossom eyeshadow makeup palette. I'm using this shade, this very deep red. I'm using it to, I'm just using this flat brush to align where I want it to start from, and then I just go from there. That's the easiest way I know I can do it, so it doesn't look too rough, it doesn't go too upward. I'm just going to follow it straight line and just give it the kind of shape that I want, and then I'll go over and blend that. I want to blend it because I don't want it to have harsh lines, looking very rough. I want it to look smooth, so that's why I'm blending. I really blend. So I'm just going to go into it using a brown shade. I don't really have the kind of red I have my palette, so that's why I'm mixing it like this, so it gives me a little bit of what I want. After blending again, I'm using this cutting board to, I just dip it into a Vaseline, and I'm going to cut from the place I want to, have my cut crease. I'm doing it because I want to look clean before I go in with my eyeshadow primer. I want it to look neat. That's how I'm going to clean those colors, so it doesn't appear where I'm going to start cutting my crease from. So for the inner corner of my eyes, I'll be using this red matte shade, and I'll top it up with the shimmer yellow shade of my palette. I have just that two yellow on my palette, the neutral yellow and the shimmer. And I'm going over to the other side of my eye. I'm going to apply the red, extending it down to where I did the rest, and then I'm going to top it again with a shimmer red, and that's it. And then I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and there you go with the eye look. Yeah, I'll go off cam and do the other side of my eye. I hope it's really easy, it's understandable, and this is really not hard at all. Very simple and very easy. If you guys really follow the tutorial, you will see that it's very nice. And focus again, another thing is that place where I have my primer is white, but I don't trust it leaving it like that, so it could just melt away, so I decided to go over it with my white liner. So to start my makeup, my foundation, I'm going to spray my face with this setting spray, and then I'm going to apply my super stay face primer. I'm just going to blend it into my face, and I'll be using my Ezekiel number 12 and Ezekiel number 10. I get to I always mix my foundation because I want a perfect result. The 12 is my shade, but after applying it, it's looking like it's a little bit of like too light, and then the number 10 is way darker, and when I use it, and I just use it like that, it makes my face look darker than my normal skin tone from my neck downward. So what I do is just mix a little bit of that into the other, that is the 10 and the 12, which is the Ezekiel foundation, and then it just gives me this perfect color that I so much like. And this is a full face, this is a full coverage foundation. It covers any blemishes, scars, anything. It covers guys. So that's why I like it. You don't have to start covering your pores and all that. It just helps you cover everything that you want to cover. Alright, so I just go ahead and blend out my face, and then use my blush on concealer. I'm just enjoying this my concealer. It's a new concealer. It's blush on. You following, if you've been following, you notice that I was using Adventure. I still like Adventure though, but it's just that it dries up so quickly. I like this one because it gives me time to apply it everywhere that I want to highlight on my face, and take my time to blend them out. So it's super. I'm really enjoying it. I will still, if I have my way, I'll still go get my Adventure, but they both play different roles and they're both good. All right. So for my contour, I'm using this upper contour foundation as my contour, and I'm just applying to the areas where I want to contour, and then I'm just going to blend. And then I'll be using from my, I don't like the way the color comes out when I want to blend, when I want to contour my nose. It doesn't really, give me that slim nose, pointed looking nose that I want. So I normally like to use, a contour powder, which is one of my eyeshadow called Eyeshadow in my Blossom Maker eyeshadow palette. So that's what I'm going to be using now. I use it to contour my nose, and that's it. So after blending my nose, I'm just going to use my eyeshadow. Sorry guys, I'm going to use my contour powder to just set those place, and then I'm going to use my setting powder, which is this water cup translucent powder. I'm just going to use it to set, sorry, Sasha water cup setting powder, and then I'm going in with my eye pencil. And for under my waterline, I'm going to be using those eyeshadow that I use, the red and the yellow, to just mix it up together in my brush and blend. So after applying my blush, I decided to do my reverse contour, and I use my setting powder to my finishing powder to dust that out, and then I'm adding some glue to my highlights and my forehead because I want to glow. I want skin to really, pop out. So for my lips, I'm using this pencil to just outline my lips. That's the places where I want to apply, and I'm using a brown lipstick, and then I went in with two different nude. I'm going to leave them in the description box. I'll leave the names, alright, for you guys to check it out. And then I went over to use a gloss to just make it look succulent. And then my mascara, I'm applying my mascara. I'm trying to rush out my eyelashes to come out really nice because of the fall off that I had. And there you go, that is the end of the look, guys. I just packed my hair, put my earrings on. Yeah, now we are popping. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm sorry about my voice. I have cold, alright. So if it's not sounding nice, please forgive me. This is the final look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. I'll be coming up with beautiful tutorials like this from now on. I promise you guys already that I'm going to be giving you guys back to back. I hope you guys do enjoy it, and do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.